नमस्ते बिटिया, दिस इज डॉक्टर ब्रजराज सिंह चौहान, एसोसिएट प्रोफेसर FEM ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर. प्रोग्राम नेम B.Ed फोर्थ इंग्लिश मीडियम, कोर्स नेम अंडरस्टैंडिंग द सेल्फ, and session of today is prejudice. What is prejudice? What do you mean by prejudice? Prejudice is a baseless and typically negative attitude that an individual can hold toward someone else or toward the member of certain group. Prejudiced attitude are marked by negative feeling towards someone, are often based on stereotypes such as a belief that all black people are unemployed criminals or all Mexican people are illegal aliens and thieves. अर्थात कहने का आशय ये है कि प्रीजुडिस अर्थात पूर्वाग्रह किसी व्यक्ति, वस्तु, घटना, दृश्य, समाज, जाति और लिंग के आधार पर हमारे मन मस्तिष्क में पहले से जो धारणाएं, संकल्पनाएं बनी हुई होती हैं, उनके आधार पर हम उनके बारे में किसी भी प्रकार का निर्णय लेना, किसी भी धारणा को बना लेना, हमारे मन मस्तिष्क में किसी के प्रति पहले से ही कोई इलविल है, उसके आधार पर उसका मूल्यांकन करना, इसको हम पूर्वाग्रह और प्रीजुडिस कहते हैं. दीज फीलिंग्स में बी translated into action by discriminating against the person or member or the target group. An individual may be prejudiced against other based on factors such as race, age, gender, sexual orientation, class, status, religion, and nationality, amongst other things. Some of the more common prejudice example include racism, sexism, homophobia, religious prejudice, ageism, nationalism, classism. Prejudice under the law. Prejudice under the law is similar to the more common definition of prejudice in that it refers to a preconceived judgment, bias, or opinion being held regarding the parties to or the fact involved in a case. Court cases are all about picking a side since the judge and jury are tasked with deciding whether to rule in favor of the plaintiff or defendant. Prejudice under the law occurs when false or damaging. Dismissal with prejudice. A dismissal with prejudice is a lawsuit means that the case can be litigated in the future. This is because the court has heard the case and has entered a judgment stating that the case has been dismissed after proper consideration of its merit. When a case is dismissed with prejudice, that is the court's way of saying that a final judgment has been made. When a dismissal with prejudice is issued, the case then becomes res judicata on the claims that were brought in the lawsuit or other legal action, as well as on any future claims that could have been brought in relating to the underlying matter. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve.